Patients are often confused about the differences between Botox and facial fillers. Botox or Dysport are both botulinum toxin, which is used to treat dynamic wrinkles or wrinkles that occur with movement within the face. The areas that are most commonly treated are the forehead, in between the eyebrows, and the crow's feet or lateral aspect of the eyes. These treatments relax the muscles in these areas to prevent those wrinkles from forming when a patient smiles or makes facial expressions. Fillers, on the other hand, are used to treat wrinkles or depressions that are present at rest. They are also used to add volume to the face to create a more youthful appearance. If you have questions or would like to schedule a consultation to discuss what is best for you, Botox, Dysport, or facial fillers such as Juvederm, Restylane, Radiesse, or Belotero, please feel free to contact our office at 484-222-0010 and schedule a consultation, or find us on the web at www.mainlineplasticsurgery.com.